Hi everyone, let's talk today about Mitolyn. If you're here in this video, you're probably looking for more information about the supplement, and I'm here to tell you everything and reveal all the truth behind it, whether it's really worth it or not. And I also do want to share an important alert you must know before actually purchasing it. Stick with me until the end of this video. I've already left the link for the official website below in the description. So after watching this, if you still want to know more, or if you actually want to purchase it, the link is there for you. Losing weight is not easy at all. People have been struggling to lose weight and have tried a lot of different things. But let me tell you, it does not matter if you're doing crazy things if you're not addressing the root cause of your problem. Researchers have discovered that many people who struggle with obesity or weight loss have one thing in common. They have a low production of mitochondria. Mitochondria are found in your cells and are responsible for turning fat into energy. And if you don't have enough mitochondria, your body starts storing fat because the substance responsible for turning it into energy isn't sufficient. Your body doesn't know what to do with the fat and stores it. Mitolyn boosts the production of mitochondria so your body can finally be prepared to lose weight. Sometimes we see people who don't even eat much, but they still gain weight instead of losing it. This happens due to lack of mitochondria. Mitolyn helps solve this issue. Additionally, Mitolyn provides more energy, reduces appetite, decreases stress and anxiety, and improves gut and intestinal health. It achieves all this with its completely natural formulation, so you don't have to worry about side effects or contradictions. All you need to do is be committed to taking Mitolyn every single day. The minimum treatment is 3 months, but I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months to achieve lasting and effective results. In addition to all of this, Mitolyn comes with a money-back guarantee. If you test it and don't like it, they'll return your money. My only alert is about where you buy Mitolyn. It is only sold on the official website. It is not available in drugstores or other websites, so please be very careful with this information. And that is why I did leave the link below in the description of the video. So this is the only place that you can get it. The official website is also the place where you find all the detailed information, testimonials, and a complete list of the ingredients, and of course, where you purchase the original product. Now that you've finished watching this video, I recommend visiting the website to learn more. By the end of the page, I'm pretty sure you'll be ready to buy this supplement. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you around.